What's going on, guys? Back with another Resident Evil 4 video now. We're back with the Resident Evil 4 No Hope Challenge. And it's been a while since we played this. Because I've been playing a lot of Minecraft. That's a cutscene of a paper airplane. No one needs to see that. Voice spells event, yeah, we already know. I'm leaving her in here because I don't trust her out there. Does he see me? Yeah, he sees. Oh, yeah. Oh, big boy. You trying to sneak? Maybe I could kick. I'm using the shotgun to get that guy's shield. Be gone. Alright. I have a plan. Oh, that didn't work. He has metal on him, that's why. I'm gonna come in here, guns ablaze, and get you on the ground. Now get down. Oh, you cheater. Come on, you hacked. He's hacking here, guys. Come on, throw the axe. I'm going back in here, but I'm just gonna shoot them. Cause just kill me. Oh, I didn't know he could hit you through the door. It's weird. I'm just gonna kill everyone with the shotgun. Oh, you did. Oh, I kick you. Oh, that didn't do anything. Kill you. One knife and you're dead. Oh, come on. I ain't wasting ammo because there's another room with a bunch of guys in there. I ain't wasting ammo on this one guy. Oh, good. Why is this wire, like, spoken out here? Oh, that's weird. I mean, I noticed it, but I never really commented on it. Can't leave Ashley behind. People are in here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna heal and just throw this. Boom. Blind all y'all. And wait, is there another flash grenade in here? Oh, wait. Oh. Oh. Come on, Ashley. Come on, Ashley. I sort of, if you grab me. Oh, Emma, yes. I ain't wasting a single health on her. Oh, what the? How many shots? Oh, you guys are in here now. There's still more? Oh, you cheater. Well, looks like I died. I'm blind all all of you with the flash grenade. Alright, heal. I'm gonna throw it on the table. Oh wow, that actually worked. So I got a few axe me. I don't know why they get unblinded whenever I shoot them, whenever they get stunned. A handgun. Haha. Kick you. Again, I have to use another health. Wait, where is this guy? How high? Kick you. I'm knifing you, but hurts the least because you have the most meat. Suplex. Oh, we still have to deal with those other guys. Alright. I'm just gonna say, screw you. And she just got hit. We're both in very much danger. How? How are you not dead? How? I shot you 50 times. Yeah, I'm just gonna shoot I'm gonna shoot you so hard. I'm gonna just shoot the metal off your face. Oh, grab that. Finally, you dropped your weapon, so now you're useless. Oh wow, took one knife and you're dead. Really, both dropped me nothing. I would at least appreciate some gold. Just give me something. Is there an herb here? No, I already took that.
Looks like this is it.
Ugh, it stinks.
Sure does.
No way, Leon.
Way?
Well, they just almost died.
Are you out of your mind?
I knew you'd be fine if you landed on your butt.
You... What is this?
Come on, let's go.
It's something you don't want to mess with. It's a regenerator. No. He's gonna see me. He's gonna see me. Oh. I'm locking you out. Bye-bye. Oh, that's Emma. I don't need that. I'm blocking you both out. I don't know what I'm gonna do for this other guy here. There's two of them. Alright, push. Help me. We're both in poor danger. I'm healing her first because I can take care of myself, unlike her. Oh, he opened the first one. Go. Run. Faster than you could ever imagine. Alright, heal her. Heal. You know what? I'm healing myself too. Alright, come here. Alright, come on. Run. Alright, quick, push that, hurry. Where is he? Quickly, go. Don't look back. That was the closest thing ever. Okay. There's only 3 guys here, I could deal with them. And there's no shield, so, you're on the ground. I'm kicking you, because I can't deal with you. Alright, get up. Oh, I just got lucky. I was the luckiest person alive to dodge that. Suplex, and it didn't kill him. How? Oh, I'm so... you have a helmet on, but somehow I kill you and you have a helmet on, but I don't kill the other guy. How is that possible? How? Alright, bye-bye weapon. Bye-bye taser. Oh, come on. I was doing so good. I just killed Big Boy here. I used a shotgun. I'm using the knife the rest of the way through. Because there's only 2 guys here. I could take them both. Knife you, knife you, knife you. Alright. Oh, you have to get your weapon out, so. Wow, that was a one-shot. Oh, green orb, yes. And another green orb. Now, what we're gonna do for this part is pray. I'm just gonna shoot some of them. I don't care what they drop. I'm gonna move over to a good position right here.
There's a gate here.
Yeah, we know. None of you went in the lava. None of you went in the lava here. I'm putting both of you big boys in here. There's only one. Never mind, there's 2. Oh, I have to start here again. Oh. How? I don't like the start. I'm gonna die. You know, this, okay, yeah, it was useless at the time because I just got axed right in the abdomen.
There's a gate here.
Yeah. Alright, we're doing this again. Oh good, enter the lava. I have to watch out for Big Boy over here. Oh, there he is. Oh, what do you have, an aim? Oh. I just got magnum ammo, so now I can't die. I cannot die.
There's a gate here.
Get you in. I do not want you. Same with you. I don't want you here either. Get in there. Alright, all the guys are here are dead. Oh, there's 2 more. You get in there. You come over here. Alright, come here. Come. Alright, come here. Come here. Hey, buddy. Oh, ammo. Sweet. Here. I got it. You rock that. Wrecking ball. Wrecks that. Oh. I cannot afford to lose 3 magnum shells here because it is very important for future bosses. Oh, hi. You get in there. Bye-bye. Alright, we have to go, Ashley. Come on. Grab that. I have to use this, because there's ammo in there and an herb, and I cannot miss it. I grab this, and I'm out. You know what? I'm fighting all of them. Nope, no I'm not. See you. Bye. Ooh, that was close. Bye, I'm gone. Do you hear that? That's the sound of regenerator. We have to be very quiet. One of those regenerators. I'm gonna reload. I don't know if I should heal. Yeah, I'm gonna heal, but yeah, might as well. I only have 3 shotgun shells. Are you for real? What's in here? Incendiary grenade. Alright, I'll take that. Anything? Yep, rifle. I don't need that. I only have 3 shots. Are you kidding me? I don't know what I'm gonna do for this. Because I ain't fighting him. I'm just gonna scare him. Alright, run, 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 run. I got an idea. Alright, come here. Follow me. Alright, slow. Alright, keep coming. That was lucky. I got lucky there. There's another one. There's 2 of them. I better get all stuff in here. There's shotgun ammo. Thank God. I reload, because you never know. It got... Ashley, what are you doing? I don't care about that. Should I just let him come in? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. There's 2 of them. I hope both of them are hi. He just came barging in. I'm gonna wait for the brother. There we go. Run, Ashley. Come on. Ashley. Okay. Good, you're here. Alright, crawl under. I'll stall. Go.
Leave it to me, Leon.
Yeah, I'll leave it to you. I have it aimed. Alright, run, 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 run. Run in here. It's a safe room. Merchant, I can't use, but there's a red open here, and I got a green. That's all I could take. I see you. There's a first aid spray. I know, in the next room there's a first aid. Walk quietly. Alright.
Wait.
Go, 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 go. Give it a try, give it a try. Hurry, hurry, hurry. I cannot miss. If I miss, I'm gonna die. Go, go, go. Alright, we did it. Good job. Go. We got shotgun ammo, boys. I reload. What's this? No, I don't need that. Yes, I do need that. She's gonna drive, which I don't trust her on.
Leave it to me, Leon.
I have to use the Magnum on something. There are trucks coming towards us later in this part. There are trucks. And I have to use the Magnum to kill them because the shotgun, it won't work. The handgun is puny, it won't work, so I have to use the Magnum. I have to use it 3 times. So 3 bullets down the drain. But I don't care what these guys drop, I'm just gonna shoot them off. You know what, screw it. I'm just gonna use this. I'm just gonna kick them off. Yeah, I'm just gonna kick them. I have to shoot as many as I can. I know they're behind us. Oh, they are coming. I don't even want these guys on here. Be gone. Oh, you're dead already. I need the shotgun here. Because there are too many on the track here. Too many on the track. Oh, I just shot that guy. He just fell. Oh, why'd I just stand there like a sitting goose? Or how do you say sitting duck? There it is. All these guys are running towards it like it's a god. So I'm just gonna blow it away with the Magnum. I cannot afford to miss one shot with this baby. This is, I thought I missed. I want to dead, oh, the ammo back there. Oh, there's a crossbow guy. He plays lacrosse. Oh, hi. Get that crossbow guy off here. Oh, and the truck's back. Well, at least we'll run over all these guys. Well, they're not running towards it like the other friends did, so that's good. Now that is gone. So I don't have to worry about that truck anymore because it just wrecks. Right. Okay. That's good. I just finished. I died at least 3 times. She died, me and her died at the same time. I got shot in the leg and her head got whacked by mace. And the other times I just died. So, thank God there's a checkpoint. I'm gonna shoot these guys out because I cannot deal with anyone. Shoot him. Okay, good. I don't know how I got that first guy. My laser sight wasn't even on him. I was like, oh, why did I waste that? Alright, well, you guys are about to get run over. Oh, come on. Oh, I just kicked him back. Well, I never seen you before. What kind of hat do you got? Is there a guy? I'm just gonna bone him. And that's the only option because I cannot afford to get hit. I killed her as well. We're gonna have fried Ashley time, everyone. Who wants fried Ashley? Come on. We just ate some fried Ashley, so we're pretty full. We cloned her. Did that guy almost fall? That guy fell in here, didn't he? Shoot, you get the. Oh, hi. Oh. And I died again. Oh, we have a truck coming towards us. Let me grab this. I do not have time. Uh-oh. Yes, it's loaded. Okay, good. Else I would have to use a shotgun. I got you. Oh, I thought I died. Alright, money I don't care about in this challenge. That was close. Alright, so we're just gonna do the boiler room part and then the knife fight and then we're gonna end it. So let me grab I'm gonna grab that. This merchant right here, oh good, you put shotgun ammo on the shelf. It's a mix between ammo and money and sometimes even health. So thank you. I'm not gonna save just yet, so let's just continue on with old Joni, the boiler. Thank God he's gonna get captured in this next scene. I can't babysit her every 10 seconds.
I can feel them growing ever so strongly inside you. Sadler!
Using magical powers.
Perhaps you can resist, but you cannot disobey. Come to me, Ashley.
When did you have a tracking device on you? Right, you didn't use that for the entire game, and now you're using it now.
It's already begun.
Yeah, you had that through 95% of the village. through the whole cat. You know it's already begun. There's gold back there. There's a note right here that no one cares about. And another cutscene in 3, 2, 1. It was coming up.
What's the news on our friend Leon?
He's not making it easy. A sample?
Sadler's got it. It seems he sniffed out our little game.
Perfect.
Just so we understand each other clearly, I don't trust you, nor does Wesker. If you try to do anything clever, I will kill you.
Is that so? You know, I met Wesker long before you.
We'll see soon enough if you did.
Yeah, we'll see.
So we're gonna be fighting Krauser in the next episode, and that big, and a youth. I've been noticed. There was a Joel up here, but I'm not wasting ammo. Just shoot that pane of glass right here twice, and boom, you got a Joel. Where's this guy at? Where is he? Oh, here you are. Hi. Now these guys are very strong. You don't want to mess with them, because they will kill you in like one hit on this type of challenge. Oh, come on. Oh, who busted in? Oh, hi. Hi, Tentacle Man. Don't slice me. Is someone on here? What? I shot you in the face. How did you not cover your face like you always do? There's another crossbow guy. Uh-oh. I'm cutting your jugular, and how are you not dead? Oh. Nope. No. Why am I shooting you back? I have no idea. Drop. Okay, ammo is good. I was Mr. Crossbow. Oh, you're shooting from up there. I want to suplex you, so I'm just waiting. He'll get up. Oh, that ought to hurt. Even if you have some virus in you that keeps you alive. Come on, get up. Get up. It's your first day of school. Get up. Get up or I'll shoot you again. You know, this guy's unsuplexable. Unsuplexable. What about you? Yeah, I could suplex. Didn't kill him. Run here. Why? This guy refuses to get suplexed. Get up. How did I not die? I got Mr. Magoo and Mr. Magoo's second cousin over here. Oh, took one. Now this guy doesn't want to be suplexed. after all that work, I get shot right in the chest, right where the heart is, impales the heart. I go down with making one groan. You're dead. I have no idea. I shouldn't even alert those guys. I should just do a sneak attack. Alright, so sneak along here. Alright, sneak. Get that. And move along here. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Alright, so far so good. Haven't been noticed. Alright, so now... Don't kick open the door. Don't call me out. Good, you're dead. I just avoided a grab of the... You know, if you get grabbed from behind, you don't take damage. It turns out I did, because I'm a huge idiot, and I didn't... This is on pro mode. That only happens when you don't let it happen. They're the Axeman from New Orleans. Axeman theory. Go, 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 go. This is the boiler room, so if I shoot this, it should explode, which it didn't. Come on. I'm waiting for one of you. How? Is there another crossbow guy over there? I just saw two. Is that your third brother? I'm in a predicament here. Run, 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 run. Is it good cop, bad cop, or whatever? Alright, here's a good cop here. Alright, one of you crossbowmen is a good cop. I don't know which one it is. Probably the guy in the back, because he hasn't hit me. I don't think. No, that guy did hit me, so I killed the good cop. Uh-oh. I'm gonna get arrested for killing the good cop. Oh, that is the bad cop. I didn't know cops carried crossbows. Oh, come. Huh. Break the shield. Shield breaker. Don't shoot. I killed them all with the skin of my teeth. The skin of my teeth. I had to deal with a tentacle monster. Oh, thank God. Come on for me. I can deal with you. Come on. Who wants a piece of the suplex mate? Apparently he does. Oh, thank God. Yes, that's a big loot. Suplex you. There's nothing else here. Oh, there's something in the back. There's a flash grenade. And some gold, which I don't need. Take that, take that. Every little bit counts. I only use the handgun in this room. Believe it or not. Alright, knife fight with Krauser, and then I'll do the laser room, then I'll do a bunch of, okay. Krauser knife fight, laser room, then I'll end the episode shortly after. Alright, dodge. Sweet. I only cut you.
Been a long time, comrade. Krauser. that what they told you? You're the one who kidnapped Ashley.
True.
You catch up quick, as expected. After all, you and I both know where we come from.
Hold on. You should have cut him. You should have cut his chin.
What do you want?
Cut his chin, Leon. This is all L101 here, so that's good. I think it's Square X for this one. Nope, L101. Oh.
Leave Ashley out of this. Oh, I needed her to my settlers trusted me. Like you, I'm American.
L101, these are all L101. I like it. Probably because they know I'm bad at this challenge, and I've died a million times. So just give me one straight button, or two buttons
You got her
to
involved
pick.
just for that?
There's one more dodge, and then I have to press buttons like a million times. Cut his chest. Alright. Again, these were all L101s. Kick. Now I have to press square and X, not at the same time, like alternating.
Umbrella. Almost let it slip.
What's this gonna be for? Square X. I think X. No, wait, maybe. Did I do it? Oh, thank God.
Ada! Well, if it isn't the bitch in the red dress.
Looks like we have the upper hand here.
Yep.
You may be able to prolong your life, but it's not like you can escape your inevitable death, is it?
He's not wrong. I still have to fight you three and him. So I will die 20
You
times on
really
each
do?
boss next episode. So
Maybe it's about time you told me the reason why you're here.
Maybe some other time.
yeah, what is your reason for being here? Alright, call time. Call break.
Enjoy the reunion with your old friend.
As a matter of fact, I did.
Wonderful. I wouldn't want my special guests on the island feeling unattended.
Guess I'm supposed to thank you, right?
Ah, I have an idea. Since you're here, why don't I introduce you to it? It should keep you busy.
Can't remember the name, huh? A senior moment, perhaps.
Ooh.
Oh, enjoy the fun.
I don't know why I did that. Alright, laser room and go underground again. And that'll be it. And then I'll end it. Because I did a lot today. Oh, glad I do that. This is all L101. Watch this. Boom. 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 Why these are all L101? I have no idea. Turn that on. And boom. Somehow he could run up the wall. What is he, Spider-Man? So you can sit here. Take the emerald and sit here. There's no time for resting. Then you could shoot this down. It's an elegant headdress, but might as well, right? Might as well take it. And then you move down. Now we're underground again. Why I say again is because of the mines with the villagers. Alright, so I'm gonna collect some goodies right behind these stairs. Emerald and herb. Every herb counts. Now, if I get grabbed by it or you three, I immediately die. There's no saving. So I have to dodge. I cannot even get hit by him once. That's how tough he is. I'm just gonna mostly avoid him for the whole ride with him. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, then comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.